Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? So, a lot of stuff coming out of Asia right now, and I'm going to let you know why I personally think that the bull run has already started. And it's simply because look at all the stuff coming out of Asia right now. NIO is up massively. It's a Chinese crypto. Chinese founders, look into NIO if you don't know anything about it. I made a couple videos about it. But that's just one thing. Winklevoss came on here. Cameron said that my working thesis at the moment is that the next bull run is going to start in the East. It will be a humbling reminder that crypto is a global asset class and that the West, really the US, always only had ever two options: embrace it or be left behind. It can't be stopped. That we know. So it can't be stopped, guys. I've been saying this forever about crypto, but this is just one little bit. Now there's a lot more stuff coming out of here that you're not going to find unless you dig for it. So this OKEX exchange, they did an article today, proof of reserves. I don't know if anybody saw it, but it's absolutely huge, especially for Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to go ahead and do another video right after this about that. And basically, this exchange has bounced around. It went from China, it had Korea that shut down. It's now in the Seychelles. Chinese founders, 100% clean proof of reserves. CryptoQuant, third-party company, maintains that it holds 100% clean reserves compared to 94% for Binance, 61 for Huobi. But the big thing here, guys, is they're expanding. They're actually, as the markets maybe here in the US and around the world kind of start dumping, these companies are actually expanding and growing. And this is absolutely huge. And I think that the bull run not only is starting in Asia, but this is like what Cameron said. This is going to be a very, very harsh reminder that you cannot stop this technology. That's why the US hasn't done so. China tried to stop it already, but we all know that all that did was lead to the wealthy Chinese being able to be the only ones who acquire crypto, just by the way that their economy and their private sector or public sector are essentially one and the same, tied together to benefit only people like politicians, judges, that kind of thing. And on top of this, there's a lot of new exchanges that have popped up just in the last 2 years in Indonesia, other Asian countries that I'm not going to just go down the name, just look them up. There's a lot of different exchanges that have popped up. And not only that, there's also a lot of actual peer-to-peer payments that are starting to pop up in Thailand. Technically Australia, even though they're Western, they're over there in Asia, and Australia does a lot of trading with China. And not to mention all the infrastructure is already coming out of China. Bitmain, Jihan Wu has been, he's basically the mastermind behind this. So the Chinese, in Asian countries, Japan, this is huge. Not to mention OKEX is going to be, FTX is actually going to be allowing Japan customers to start withdrawals tomorrow. That is huge. So FTX here, it's still going through the Delaware bankruptcy court or whatnot, but all these subsidiary companies, FTX Japan and FTX Europe, hopefully will be next. The Japanese will be able to withdraw from FTX tomorrow, which is absolutely huge, because if you think about all these things I've talked about just in the last 2 or 3 minutes, you'll notice all this stuff's coming out of Asia. And just a quick reminder, NIO is up 35-37% today. It just started going up again. I wouldn't be surprised if it went another 100 or 200 or maybe even 1,000% up. And this is a Chinese crypto. It's Upbit. It's trading massive volume on Upbit. 24-hour volume is 4.17 billion. This exchange, this Korean exchange. And look at this stuff, guys. It's absolutely crazy. How much volume. It's Metal is trading on here, which is in my opinion, a shitcoin, but for peer-to-peer payments. And you got NIO. They're doing more volume on NIO than BTC Crapcore coin. It's absolutely insane that Bitcoin Core is doing less volume right now than NIO and even Metal. So this is just a quick reminder, guys, that the US does not run the world. It does not run crypto. It doesn't matter what they do. And China tried to do this. The Chinese government tried to stop crypto or whatnot and mining and all that. But I can guarantee you, if I want to send crypto to somebody in China, I can do it with Bitcoin Cash and a variety of different other cryptos in a split second, and it can't be stopped simply. So Cameron Winklevoss, kind of quick reminder that to the Twitter community today that is indeed the case. And I would actually say that, I would start seeing some altcoins rally probably 200-300% here pretty soon. Neo's already kind of done so. I would say Quantum's probably going to be next, and Bitcoin Cash. Some of these major cryptos that have a big future in the game later on, they're going to start rallying here soon. And you'd have to see like a 30% retractment for me to even get the slightest bit less excited than I am right now. So the bull run has already started in Asia. It's already been happening this whole week, and the FTX withdrawal, the OKEX exchange expansion, which is huge. I'm going to do another video right after this on Bitcoin Cash and how I think this will affect Bitcoin Cash price. And the Winklevoss twins coming on here. Cameron's putting this tweet up today. Neo being up over 100% in the last 2-3 months is just all indications to me that it's not gonna happen. It's already happening. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it enlightening, and we'll talk to you later.